Ha? Ano to? Patay. How am I supposed to do this? Creative self-introduction? How do the students introduce themselves creatively? But the real question is, who exactly am I? Hi, I'm Ashley. Ashley Marcelo Dayam. But you can call me Ash or Leleng. I was born on September 1, 2008 in Santa Rita, Pampanga. But I grew up in Mindanao. I have two sisters, Ate Alexis and Ate Eliza. Meet my lovely and caring parents, Mama Mylene and Papa Jeffrey. We are a family of 5. But my dad passed away last May 15, 2025. I turned 17 last September 1. I study at Lampitak National High School. I am now in a senior high student. Way back in my grade 10 days, these are my awards. I love math. But I'm telling you, mahal ko lang po ang math kapag gets ko. Isa rin po ako sa mga students na nilalaban sa Math Olympics. I love capturing and watching the sunsets. It makes me calm and happy. I also love eating and drinking anything. I love dogs. Mas gusto ko alagaan kesa sa mga pusa. And my favorite color is pink. Nababaliw kapag nakakakita ng pink na bagay. And I guess that's me, and that's all you need to know. You may know a part of me now, but there's still a whole image you have yet to discover. And all I can say is, the rest will be for you to find out.